Assalamualaikum. Are you from Karnataka and also you are a student and you are traveling on government buses from your home to your college or school? Then this video is only for you because I am going to show you how you can apply for bus pass, especially for NWKRTC travelers. So without gibberishing, let's get started. Before starting, if you are using PC, then it is okay, and if you are using any smartphone, then in Chrome browser, make sure you checked desktop site. If you don't know where you can find that option, then just open Chrome browser, then click on the three dot, then search for desktop site and make sure it is checked. Then moving to PC screen, open Google Chrome browser, then type Seva Sindhu. Remember, I'm from Karnataka and I'm traveling NWKRTC. So I will apply for NWKRTC online. Then click on this first link. Now here is the main part. If you are a new user, you have to click on register here and follow the procedure. If you want to know how to register on Seva Sindhu, then comment below. I will make a separate video on it, but in this video I will not include that since I have already registered. So I will log in with my details. At here you can see you have to enter your email ID or mobile number here, and you have to enter your OTP or password. Now let me enter my details. Then after logging or signing up, this will be the interface you will be getting. Then you have to click on apply for services, then click on view all available services, and then here there are many applications you will get. Here you can see they show you around 1 of 73, means this type of there are 73 pages. So in order to search quickly, you have to enter here student, then you will get some of the application and B. So here you can see if you want to issue bus pass related KKRTC, here you will get, and since I need NWKRTC, so here you can see issue of bus pass to school children or student or college student, whatever it might be. So then I will click on this particular issue of bus pass of school children student NWKRTC. Then in order to proceed forward, you need to download, or I need to download this particular form and I need to fill up because I need to submit at the end. After entering all the details or submitting all the details on this website, at the end you need to submit that particular filled form. Then I will give the path. I will give the path at here, declaration certificate. Then I will click on proceed to apply. So let me show you what are the details you need to submit in that particular form. Let me go to download tab and open this particular downloaded folder. You need to just take out one printout of this particular form, and you need to enter your name, class, date of birth, name of the institution, student register number, which will be provided by your college or school, then seal of your university or college, then headmaster signature here, and date. Moving back to Seva Sindhu tab. After downloading that particular application form and after clicking on proceed, you will see this particular interface. All the information will be added automatically while registering, because while registering you will provide your Aadhaar number. So with that Aadhaar number, some of the details will be taken out here. You need to just check. Then date of birth, you need to mention your date of birth here. Then you need to apply, or you need to choose one file of your photo. So for whom you are applying this bus pass, you need to add their passport size photo here. So I will import here. Then you have to enter your pass route from where you want to pick up that particular bus, then gender male, then pass route, then route change place. If you have any route change place, then you can mention it. For example, if you want to go from A to B, some buses will not go from directly A to B. You need to take one at A and you need to drop some at C, and you need to go to C to B. If you have any C bus stop, you can enter it here. Then enter your email ID, then category, then type your permanent address. Make sure you type your permanent address according to your Aadhaar card. Then you need to select whether this particular permanent address is same as temporary address. So if you live in some hostel or in your relatives far from your permanent address, which is your home, then make sure you can mention it here by clicking on no, and you can type it here. If your temporary and permanent address are same, then you can click on yes. Then do you have SATS ID, which means Student Achievement Track System ID or number? So if you have, then you can click on yes and you can enter details. Since I didn't have, so I will click on no. Then click on course. This is my course. And then course type, you need to search if you have any course type or whatever your course type is. Then state, then district, then okay, then taluk, then okay, and then village, then education institution name, then address of institution, then type of institution, whether it is government or private. In my case, it is private. If you select private, then you need to enter your school or college fee receipt number, then date of receipt, then select the division where you want to get the bus pass and the depot, then select your depot, which is nothing but the bus stop, then the counter where you want to receive your bus pass. Then this all are as it is. Then you have to check this box, I agree,
agree. Then read this, make sure it says you need to take out, print out to get the signature and stamp for the college. Then you need to enter here your captcha, then click on submit. In route change place, here you need to enter something, so that is null, which means 0. Then moving at last, once again submit. Sometime it will be temporarily blocked, which means you have disabled location permission. So if you disable location permission for this website, then you need to refresh first, then enter all the details which I have entered just now, and then you need to click on submit. If you enter all the details and you are denied the location permission, then it will be really a big hacky type. Then whatever you have provided, just check all the details, then click on attach annexure. If you need to edit, then you can click on edit button. Just to make sure, let me make this government institution correct little thing and enter captcha here, then enter submit. Then check this details once again. So if you want to edit, then you can click on edit. If you are done, then click on attach annexure. Now here you need to attach any of your document like Aadhaar, ration card, driving license. So let me select Aadhaar. You need to attach your Aadhaar file as well as this particular annexure file here, the declaration certificate, which at the starting I have mentioned, right? So I have downloaded this particular form. Let me show you once again. Go to your school or college, fill this form because you need signatures and some seals, right? So you need to fill it there. After filling, scan that particular form. Well, now this part is recorded in the very next day where I visited to my college, and I have now in a PDF form in my PC. Now I will choose a file which is installed today or which I have filled in written, right? So that particular PDF I will select here. Then here proof of residential address, I will select Aadhaar. Then I will add here my Aadhaar card. Then I will click on scan. Then I will click on save annexure. Then here are all my details which I have submitted and added here. Here you can see. I will click on submit. Now this is the form which I need to download and submit it to my college. Then I will click to export to PDF and I will give it a path and I will just save it. You can take a screenshot if export to PDF is not working. Now this is for today. Let's move to yesterday's remaining part. Then you need to submit to your college or school. So you need to submit 4 documents. That is, one is this website's printed form. Another one is that particular written form which you get in the starting from this website. Then you need your Aadhaar card print. Then your college or school's fee receipt print. So you need to get these 4 documents and you need to submit it to your college or school. And the amount, just you need to ask in your college or school admission section. So I hope you have successfully created bus pass. In my case, I have done already. Yeah, this was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then hit the like button. And if you want such more and whatever technical issue if you're facing, then let me know in the comments so that I too get content. Just kidding. So that I could research and I and you both will learn together. Till then, stay tuned by subscribing my channel for more such contents and hit the bell icon for my latest videos. For now, thanks for watching.